Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by putting numbers into cells. Pick A1 and B1 now. Next, click an empty cell and type equals A1 asterisk B1. This tells Excel to multiply those two. Once done, press Enter and you'll see the product. If you need combined operations, use parentheses to force the math order. For example, equals A1 plus B1 asterisk C1. Make sure to avoid text in numeric cells and use the formula bar to inspect formulas so you understand what Excel calculated. You can scale up by using product for ranges. Type equals product, A1, A4 to multiply 4 cells at once. If one factor is a fixed constant, lock it with dollar signs like equals $1 asterisk B2, then fill down so the constant stays the same. Once done, consider SUMPRODUCT for paired range multiplication and automatic summing. For example, equals SUMPRODUCT, A1, A3, B1, B3. If you need true array behavior, use Control plus Shift plus Enter in older Excel versions, or simply rely on dynamic arrays in modern Excel. You finish by copying your working formula across rows or columns using the fill handle. Verify results in a few cells to confirm consistency. Once done, format result cells as number or currency so decimal places look right, and remove % formatting if it skews values. If you get hash value or wrong answers, check for text in source cells, blanks, or mistyped ranges. That's the key troubleshooting tip. Correct input types and range references, then recalc or press F9 to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.